technologies used by Facebook. Ever wonder how apps like Facebook works almost seamlessly despite heavy traffic? In order to serve so many users, Facebook uses a variety of services, tools, and programming languages to make up its core infrastructure. Initially, Facebook servers were built upon a software bundle called LAMP, which is made up of Linux, Apache HTTP server, MySQL, and PHP. Facebook was built using both front-end and back-end languages. Front-end or client-side is the part of the website users can see and interact with, such as the menus, images, videos. Languages used for front-end of Facebook include HTML, CSS, and the back-end is the server side of the website, and it stores and arranges data and makes sure everything on the client end works fine. Simply put, the front end is the box or wrapping of the present, the bit you see in front of you on Christmas Eve, and the back end is all the elves in the North Pole that make the toys that go in the presents. You don't see them, but you see their work. PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. Facebook started off as a PHP website. It is a widely used free multipurpose scripting language. It is suited for web development and can be put into the HTML. As a programming language, PHP is simple to learn, simple to write, simple to read, and simple to debug. Linux is an open source operating system. It sits underneath all of the other software on a computer, receiving requests from those programs and replaying these requests to the computer's hardware. It provides an interactive user interface like Windows. Apache HTTP server. It is a web server that communicates over networks from client to server, processes requests, and serves web assets and content via HTTP. HTTP is the protocol used to transfer data over the web. One of the pros of Apache is its ability to handle large amounts of traffic with minimal configuration. Apache can also be deployed on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language used to create and control dynamic web content. Dynamic web content includes things like animated graphics, photo slideshows, and interactive forms. With more traffic than ever, Facebook has had to write more complex alternatives and modify their approach to existing ones. Custom-written languages include Thrift, which lets programs compiled from different languages work together. Haystack, used to serve Facebook immense number of photos. Memcached, very famous, and it's a caching or storage system used to give the user a faster and better experience. Hip-Hop Virtual Machine, it's a faster version of PHP. Hack, a derivative of PHP and makes working with PHP smoother. BigPipe serves web page insertions called pagelets. Varnish, it is a web page accelerator. React helps developers build user interfaces. Erlang helps change code without stopping the system. Gatekeeper, it lets developers run code for different sets of users. Business tools and utilities used by Facebook include Confluence, a place to share files and collaborate on information. Campaign Monitor sends beautiful newsletters. Steto, a debugging platform. Docusaurus, which is an open source documentation website. By being innovative and leveraging on their strengths, they've become one of the best social media websites in the world.